For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a tea business can be an exciting venture for those passionate about tea and entrepreneurship. Whether you want to sell loose-leaf tea, tea bags, specialty blends, or tea accessories, leveraging free AI tools can simplify many complex steps. From market research and product development to branding and marketing, AI can help you save time, reduce costs, and make informed decisions. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the process of launching a tea business with the help of free AI tools, along with sample prompts to maximize your AI interactions. Step 1. Define your tea business concept. Begin by clearly defining what kind of tea business you want to create. Will you sell premium loose-leaf teas, herbal blends, ready-to-drink tea, or perhaps organic teas? Decide if you want an online store, a physical shop, or a subscription service. Use AI to help you brainstorm ideas and analyze market gaps. AI tool: ChatGPT, OpenAI. Function: idea generation, brainstorming, market analysis. Sample prompt: help me brainstorm unique tea business ideas that have high demand but low competition. This will help you identify niches or trends worth exploring. Step 2. Conduct market research. Research your target audience and competitors to understand customer preferences, pricing, and packaging trends. AI tools can help summarize competitor websites, analyze customer reviews, or generate insights from social media. AI tool: ChatGPT with web scraping tools or WebPilot, free browser plugin. Function: competitor analysis, summarizing reviews, sentiment analysis. Sample prompt: analyze customer reviews for popular tea brands and summarize common complaints and praises. This helps you learn what customers value and what gaps you can fill. Step 3. Create a business plan. A well-structured business plan will clarify your goals, funding needs, marketing strategy, and operational plans. Free AI can assist in drafting a professional and thorough business plan quickly. AI tool: ChatGPT. Function: business plan drafting, financial projection templates. Sample prompt: write a detailed business plan for a small online premium tea store, including executive summary, market analysis, marketing strategy, and financial projections. Use this as a first draft and customize it according to your specific ideas and numbers. Step 4. Develop your tea products. Determine your product range, sourcing options, and quality standards. AI can help you research tea suppliers, blends, and packaging ideas. Additionally, it can assist with creating unique product descriptions or recipes for your blends. AI tool: ChatGPT. Function: supplier research, product description writing, recipe ideas. Sample prompt: suggest suppliers of organic loose-leaf tea with wholesale prices and reliable shipping options. Follow-up prompt: write attractive product descriptions for a green tea blend with jasmine and mint notes. These prompts save you hours researching and writing content. Step 5. Design your brand identity. Branding is crucial in the tea market. You need a name, logo, packaging style, and overall brand voice. Free AI tools can help generate brand names and design logos based on your preferences. AI tool: ChatGPT for naming and branding ideas. Canva free version for logo design. Function: brand name generation, slogan creation, logo, and packaging mockups. Sample prompt: generate 10 creative and memorable brand names for an organic tea company that appeals to health-conscious millennials. You can also input your preferred style into Canva's free logo maker to create professional graphics without design skills. Step 6. Build an online presence. Most new tea businesses thrive with an online store or social media presence. Use AI to draft website copy, social media posts, and SEO keywords. For website creation, free platforms like Wix or WordPress can be paired with AI-generated content. AI tool: ChatGPT for copywriting and SEO, Suggest free version, for keyword research. Function, content writing, SEO optimization, social media calendar creation. Sample prompt, write SEO-friendly homepage content for a tea company selling organic loose-leaf teas. For social media, prompt, create a 1-month content calendar with post ideas and captions for Instagram to promote a tea brand. This ensures your online presence is engaging and search-optimized. Step 7. Plan your marketing strategy. Decide how you will attract and retain customers. AI can help create advertising copy, email campaigns, and promotional offers. You can also analyze customer segments and suggest personalized marketing tactics. AI tool, ChatGPT. Function, marketing copywriting, email template generation, customer segmentation ideas. Sample prompt, create a 5-email welcome sequence for new subscribers to a tea subscription service designed to build brand loyalty. Another prompt, write Facebook ad copy targeting health-conscious adults aged 25 to 40 for a new organic tea product launch. With AI assistance, your marketing becomes more targeted and effective. Step 8. Handle legal and financial setup. While AI cannot replace legal advice, it can guide you on typical requirements for small businesses such as licenses, permits, and tax registrations. You can also use AI to draft contracts or agreements for suppliers and customers. AI tool, ChatGPT. Function, guidance on business registration steps, drafting simple legal documents. Sample prompt, explain the typical legal steps to register a small food-related business in the U.S. and the common permits required. Keep in mind to verify with local authorities or a lawyer for compliance. Step 9. Launch your tea business. Prepare for launch by finalizing inventory, testing your website, and scheduling your marketing push. AI can help draft launch announcements, press releases, and customer follow-up messages. AI tool, ChatGPT. Function, launch content creation, customer communication templates. Sample prompt, write a press release announcing the launch of a new organic tea brand focusing on sustainability and wellness. Also, draft a customer thank you email for the first purchase with an offer for their next order. These polished communications help create a professional brand image. Step 10. Monitor and improve. After launching, track sales, customer feedback, and marketing performance. Free AI tools can assist in analyzing data trends and generating reports to guide improvements. AI tool, Google Sheets with built-in AI features. ChatGPT for data interpretation. Function, data analysis, performance report generation. Sample prompt, analyze this monthly sales data and summarize key trends and areas for improvement for a tea business. Continuously refining your approach based on insights will help your tea business grow sustainably. Conclusion. Starting a tea business can be both fulfilling and profitable, especially when you harness the power of free AI tools. From the initial concept to product development, branding, marketing, and beyond, AI offers invaluable support in speeding up research, drafting professional documents, and optimizing your customer outreach. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.